Hello there, my name is Thomas. I'm from Investment Excel, and today we're going to look at regression and statistical analysis. Particularly, we'll look at OLS estimation and ANOVA. This topic is a standard topic, although there can be some statistical intuition slightly challenging, and I suggest other sessions if you'd like to get a brief recap of some statistical basics. We have several topics on investmentexcel.com in the educational category and also otherwhere in the popular topics category. Alright, this video and the Excel workbook are available of course on investmentexcel.com, but also on spotify.com. Let's look at a simple linear regression with a stock price being modeled on the GDP level. We look at history, 25 years. We have a stock price and we have a GDP. So now what I want to do is to build a linear relationship between the stock price as a function of GDP. That is, the stock price is the endogenous variable and GDP is the explanatory variable. Before going into any statistical considerations, let's just look at the OLS, which is essentially just a fitting technique where we try to get the model as close as possible to the stock price by minimizing for every observation the distance, graphically speaking, between the observed level and the model calibrated level. So we do that for all vertical distances and we sum it. And then you might think, okay, they will net out in the sum. Yes, that's correct, and that's why we square it. So every distance from the actual level, in this case the actual stock price, and the model calibrated or predicted stock price is squared. And when we sum them and minimize that sum, we will get a fit as good as it gets. In this case here, in the graphical representation, Excel has already calculated a best fit for prediction of the stock price, stating this. So a constant at 282 and a slope estimate of 3.22. The way Excel does this, or the way you can have Excel do this, is by first making a XY scatter plot. This is just one type of graph. So GDP on the x-axis, stock price on the y-axis. So you see this nice plot, and you might see some kind of, at least there's a positive relationship. As GDP grows, the stock price goes. But we have assumed that there is a linear relationship. So let's see if we assume that, what Excel calibrates the parameters to. Choose linear because this is the model we like to build. Could have built exponential, but then it would be non-linear regression. Now it's linear, and I want Excel to display the equation, and why not also a measure of how good the model is on a scale from 0 to 100, or from 0 to 1.